A simple system to make $100 per day with Google, and all it really takes is to follow the steps outlined in this video. I'm going to show you several websites that you can use to make money working from home. This video has nothing to do with spending money ranking websites on Google and seeing them go down after a month or two. This is also not about starting a marketing agency just so you can pitch web design and SEO services. This system also has nothing to do with Google Maps. This is much easier than you think. I know what you are probably thinking right now.
I don't want to get involved with something that requires me to spend money in order to make money.
Or maybe you are worried about not having the required skills to make $100 per day with Google, but I can confidently tell you that you don't need any prior experience or skills to make money with this system. Even if you are a complete beginner who has never made any money online with any traffic source or anything, you can make money with this system. I'm always on the outlook for the easiest money-making opportunities there are.
I like the path of least resistance.
I don't really like saturated work-from-home opportunities. Are you ready to hear today's strategy? Annihilate the like button until it turns blue. Mission accomplished. Also subscribe below and turn on notifications to never miss any of my future videos. Enough said, let's dive right into it. Today's video is all about writing articles and making as much as $1,000 per article. It is true, writing articles can make you anywhere from $50 to $1,000 per article. When a lot of people hear the word writing, they think that there's a lot of work involved, and writing usually doesn't make a lot of fun either. The truth is that there's a right and wrong way to go about writing articles. I'm gonna give you the best sites that you can visit to submit an application and very soon get approved as a writer, but before I can do that, I have to tell you something. If you believe that writing articles is difficult, then think again. Maybe writing business articles is hard for you as you don't enjoy the subject enough. The good thing is that you can make money as a writer writing on topics that you actually enjoy. If you are in front of your computer or smartphone several hours a day, I'm sure you're spending the time on things that you actually enjoy, right? I'm talking about things that are easy, like watching travel videos or talking to a friend. I mean, come on, we all have interests like basketball, traveling, building a business, and making money online. I mean, you probably remember from your childhood how easy it was to play with your siblings or best friend.
I mean, you had so much fun.
I still remember the days when I was a child and I only did things that I actually enjoyed. And you're probably thinking that
Those days are over.
everyone tells us that right now we are adults and we have to do things in order to make money. But nobody really talks about doing things that are actually in our interests. We have to do anything in order to make money, right? I don't think so. I really don't think so. You can make money doing things that you enjoy. It is not too late. Now is your time. You are going to become a successful, but most importantly, well-paid writer by writing articles on things that you're interested in.
That's the whole magic.
Alright, so let me give you several sites that you can apply for today. Here we are on Make a Living Writing, and what this website does is it suggests the best places where you can go to apply as a writer. I mean, think about it. Writing articles makes fun if you get paid $200 per article. We aren't talking about getting paid $5 per article. I know that would suck and it would definitely be draining for you. But if you get paid $100 or $200 per completed article, I think you're gonna enjoy your job as a writer a lot more. Let's say you are passionate about business and finance and can't wait to share your experience with other people. You would go to this website and apply for your first writer position. Make sure you read the entire page before submitting your application. Obviously, you want to make sure that you apply to the right sites. Here, where it says area of expertise, write a few sentences on why you enjoy writing articles on this topic. You can also include any experience that you had. Here is another post on several websites that pay you anywhere from $50 all the way up to $1,000 for one completed article. Once you are approved, you can start writing articles. Do you like me? I like you for sure. Annihilate the like button if you want me to shoot more videos. I just showed you the tip of the iceberg, and there are many other websites that you can visit and apply for as a writer and earn as much as $1,000 per article. So one of the obvious ways is to find blog posts that recommend websites that pay X dollars per article. I believe an even better strategy is to approach blog owners in your industry. Let's say you are passionate about personal development and you can't stop talking about the subject, and you think that you have amazing value to share. What you can do is search for personal development gurus on Google and find their websites. I would look for the best personal development speakers in the industry. Simply head over to their Contact Us page and submit the form. In order to be successful with this particular strategy, I recommend applying to dozens of websites and being assertive in following up with whoever responded to you. Show them that you are a serious writer who loves to talk and write about the topic. Most blog owners need more content, but oftentimes don't have enough time to supply enough fresh content themselves. And that's why they're looking to hire passionate writers like you. That's exactly where you come into play. Are you ready to make $100 per day from home? Annihilate the like button to show me that you're committed to making money from home. Before I give you my last strategy, I wanted to let you know that I shot today's video on something that really anyone can do. I mean, who doesn't know how to write? I mean, we all use our smartphones to text coworkers, friends, and family, not just once a day, but several times a day. I mean, you use your smartphone for Google searches every day. You use your smartphone to take notes. And many of us own computers which we use to write all day, all night. Writing is nothing new to you. I am really convinced that you can do this.
I am really convinced that you can do this.
Another great place to get writing jobs is by using a website like Upwork.com. Getting an account on Upwork.com doesn't require more than going to the website and signing up. The first thing you want to do is fill out your profile description and add your skills so potential clients can see what you're all about and hire you if they think you have the required skills for a job. Here's an example of a successful Upwork writer. Upwork is a great website that you can use to position yourself as a writer, as it costs you nothing to create a profile and apply for jobs that you find interesting. Here's an example of a writing job. This job pays anywhere from $30 to $58 hourly, which is a very healthy compensation for writing articles. In order for a client to consider you for a job, it's really important that you base your proposal around the requirements the client has. I recommend applying for 5 to 10 writing jobs every single day so you have the highest chance of securing new projects. I know this is gonna require time and energy, but think about how easy it will be to write content on a subject that you actually enjoy. You are going to have the most success writing articles on content that you enjoy and have experience in. If you want to become one of the best paid writers, then I recommend spending a little bit of money on books that will help you improve your writing skills. I recommend the book On Writing Well by William Zinsser. In closing, the way that you become one of the best paid writers is by specializing in an area with great demand. We all have more than one interest. You can also focus on a niche that pays well so you don't have to write yourself to death in order to make a solid income. I just gave you 3 proven strategies to make $100 per day with Google. Google is really all you need to find websites that will pay you a good amount of money for every article that you write. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate if you showed your gratefulness in the form of a like. Annihilate until it turns blue. Same goes for the subscribe button. Annihilate it until it turns gray. And yeah, turn on notifications as well. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.